Firstly, I would want to say that I'm extremely fortunate and I'm very proud to be associated with this brand, that they have signed me on as their brand ambassador. Rare Heritage is the only, I think it's the most grand bridal trousseau brand that you can get in our country. And when I heard about this brand, I was quite excited because under one roof you get everything from your bridal jewelry to your outfits, from your mehendi to your engagement to the final wedding function. And and of course the beautiful also the bridal trunks, and I don't want to miss out on that because I was quite fond of their bridal trunks in such a way that I've done one shot even inside the trunk. I sat inside the trunk and we did a shot. It was quite beautiful. And I would like to mention that Rare Heritage has won the Best Bridal Jewelry Award of the Year, and I have actually shot for many, kind of couple of jewelry brands before, but this actually till now is my favorite. And what's the quality about their outfit is that they have that real zari work in silver and gold. And it's real silver and gold work that you see on their dupattas, on their outfit, that makes it really regal and royal and from the ancient time. So I think all brides should just come here. It's that one-stop destination for them if you're getting wedded. And when I get married, Manushi, your brand will be like... So I think I don't have to go anywhere, but just bring her up and say I want to wear Rare Heritage. Everything from Rare Heritage. Yeah. What? उनका outfit है. What happened? Anything else? Done? I actually like to make my own style. I never follow a trend. I never think about अच्छा इस season में what are the colors which are in, या next season में कौन सा cut या कौन सा style in होने वाला है. I just wear what looks nice on me, what I can carry off the most on my body, and so you will see that every outfit that I wear have a little touch of mine. And I also design my own clothes a lot of times. So yeah, I think something that can make you stand apart from the crowd, because it's always best to wear something that can make you stand out. And yeah, that's it. Like, I still remember crop tops are quite in these days, but I used to wear crop tops 4 years ago when no one used to wear them, and now everyone wears it. So that's how it is. यहाँ से सब कुछ पूरी दुकान मिलेगी. Yeah, I mean, for girls, उनके wardrobe में जितने कपड़े आ जाए उतने कम लगते हैं, और जितनी jewelry आ जाए वो भी कम लगती है. So I think, girls have a huge appetite for clothes and jewelry, and I think men have huge appetite for food. We have for clothes and jewelry. Talking about that, I think सब जानते होंगे, Bhushan Kumar has signed me for 3 films, and तो एक 3 फिल्म का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है उनके साथ जो कि नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव है. तो उन्होंने कुछ स्क्रिप्ट अभी बाउंस ऑफ की है, बट मुझे उसमें से कुछ कन्विंसिंग नहीं लगा जो मुझे लगे कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. सो एज एंड व्हेन ही और समवन एल्स बाउंसेस ऑफ अ स्क्रिप्ट दैट आई एम कन्विंस्ड अबाउट, यू विल सर्टनली सी मी देयर. थैंक यू.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि रेयर हेरिटेज इज़ जेन्युइनली अ वेरी रेयर स्टोर, क्योंकि उनका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बहुत ही यूनिक है. इट्स अ वन शॉप स्टॉप फॉर वेडिंग्स. beautiful jewelry, lovely clothes, Trousseau shopping. You can just come here and actually come and buy everything that you need. और मेरे जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत earrings हैं, I hope I will be gifted them. I think they're really stunning, and I love very Indian looking jewelry. और इस स्टोर में बहुत ही अलग अलग ट्रेडिशन के ज्वेलरी है, whether it's very there's temple jewelry, there are other traditional Indian jewelry. So which woman doesn't like jewelry? So I think it's a great place to come and shop your heart out.
Girls like jewelry always go hand in hand. Tell us a piece of jewelry that you have and you think is a favorite.
Well, I definitely say जो jewelry मुझे मेरी मम्मी से मिला है, जो इतने साल पुराना है उनके शादी के टाइम से. So I think when I got gifted that, I think those are rare gems. And like I said, which woman doesn't like jewelry?
And what about diamonds? Diamonds are your best friend.
Well, definitely I'd say diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. हम तो हर इंडियन ट्रेडिशन में बिलीव करते हैं, तो आई थिंक गरबा भी बहुत ही मज़ेदार डांस है, तो डेफिनेटली मैं गरबा में पार्टिसिपेट करूँगी.
आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट क्या क्या है अगर तेरे साथ बात करें?
हाँ जी.
आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट क्या क्या है?
देखिए, मुझे अलग अलग चीज़ें करना मैं पसंद करती हूँ. जैसे कि लास्ट ईयर मैंने एक बुक लिखा था, मैंने रेडियो भी किया है, फिल्म्स भी किया है. तो आई थिंक जो भी मुझे कुछ अलग से इंस्पायर करे, मैं वो चीज़ करना चाहूँगी. एंड डेफिनेटली मेरे बच्चे प्रायोरिटी है, तो जब मुझे ऐसे मौका मिलता है तो मैं करती हूँ, नहीं तो नहीं. या थैंक यू.